The groove is gonna get strong in a minute. No, that minute is way past due. Now it's time for you to see just how it is. The groove is strong. It's up to you.
The king of the groove is about to speak.
Say extra, extra. We're having real big fun. We say, and we're jamming 2 for 1. Now the space cadets are freaking out. They're starting their attack. We say, and their existence is a fact. Hey!
Get on.
I like this jam so far.
Now Ronnie Wood, she said to me, what a big groove you have. And I said, and it's quick as Ollie's jam.
And I found that family very lost, looking for something cool. And I said, and a little language too. Oh, come on, you need it, Lenny. Why don't you always stop by ride on your way to your mammy? La-di-da-di-da-di-da-da-di-da-da. On our way. Right now, this hour, this minute, this second, today.
The king has spoken. Oh, roll over, baby.
Oh, this is so much a funky groove, y'all. Will we get you into this groove?
Yes.
La-di-da-da-di-da-da-di-da-da. Party, party. And when you say hi, that existence is for real.